All right, hi parents, I am back. I accidentally got a phone call, and this is the other half of lesson 113, and so it kind of cut off my YouTube video. But I was talking about right angles, acute angles, and obtuse. So you have this worksheet here, and this is an example of the different angles. So I have a right angle. It has to be the letter L, so that's a good way to remember it. The letter L, and it has to have a paper fit in the box. So can this paper fit in that box? Yes. Can it fit in this one? No. It goes past the line. And how about this angle? No. Okay. It has to fit like the letter L perfectly. So this one is a right angle, so you make this box and you write 90 degrees. This is a right angle. Now remember that word I said acute? Acute means small. So you can sort of tell right away, like, look at this giant angle right here. This is a triangle. So we're going to put our angles into a triangle. So right here I can see that this is less than, this doesn't fit. So this is less than 90 degrees. So this would be an acute angle. This one is larger than 90 degrees. Sorry, sticking. Larger, and that is an obtuse angle. Obtuse sounds kind of like a weird word, like large or big. Acute means small, and right means it is the letter L, and the paper can fit inside of it. One of your worksheets that you have for today is the nines multiplication, so I'll sing that song with you and write it at the same time. Okay, it's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Get ready, go. 0, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. That's the song of the nines. Crazy. Okay? So there you go. So there's 1 times 9 is 9. We already know that. 9 times 8. So let's go count 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 times 8 is 72. And remember about the nines, it's really cool. The one digit is one less every time. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9, 8, and so forth. Okay? So you'll have that page again. Then we have some more angles. So they want you to decide if it is a right angle, obtuse, so we'll do 3 of them. Okay, so take your paper. This is your biggest clue. If it fits, it's a 90 degree. If it doesn't, then this one's smaller. It is an acute angle. This one, let's see if the little paper fits. Yes, so it's a 90 degrees. And this is a right angle. And let's see this one. Does it fit? No. It's larger than 90 degrees, so it is an obtuse angle. And we'll do a couple more. Okay, let's see if this fits. Yes, it looks like that one fits. Okay, good. It's just paper sticking. So this is a right angle. So I'm going to put 90 degrees and made the letter L. There's your box in the middle. This one you don't even need to measure. You can just tell it's acute. It's smaller. This one is really large, so that's an obtuse. And I'll let you do the rest by yourself. But let's go to the homework page. Okay, how many donuts are in, you know what, I'm going to do side A. Okay, how many inches are in 7 feet? Because I know you have to do side B. So in a foot is 12 inches. So we need to have 12 inches times 7 feet, okay? So what is 7 times 2? 14. And you put a 1 above it and carry it. So 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. So that would be 84 inches. And those 2 little apostrophes mean 84 inches. So there's 84 inches, because they said 7 feet, and in A foot has 12 inches. Label each angle so we can just look at them. All right, how about this one? We know that that is an acute. This one is going to fit with the paper in the corner. Yes, that is a right angle because it has it right there. So you write right angle. This will be obviously an obtuse. It's bigger than a right angle. Now, these are cheesecakes. Divide the first cheesecake into half. So you can go either direction, vertical or horizontal. Okay, divide the second cheesecake into thirds. So let's do horizontal. Let's have, here's a one part here and one part here. Okay, so that's 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3. That means 3 parts, okay? 1/2 of 12. So 1/2 of 12, cheesecake will have 12 strawberries. So what plus what equals 12? That's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 1/2 of 12 is 6. And we're going to put strawberries. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I tried to put one in each one at the same time. Ready? So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 in each one. 1/3 of 12 is 4 because remember, 4 times 3 equals 12. So it's kind of like a fact family. It is a fact family. Now let's divide this one into 4 parts. Okay, so we have, let's do our intersection or north, south, east, and west. So we're going to have strawberries put in each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I counted to 12 while I added strawberries. So how many are in each one? 3. Same thing. 4 times 3 equals 12, and 3 times 4 equals 12. So we drew the strawberries at the same time. Mental computation, we learned this yesterday. Okay, so this means 3 40s. So we have 40 plus 40 plus 40. Okay, we have 3 of them. So 40 plus 40 plus 40 equals 120. And what's 3 times 2? 6. Okay, 120 plus 6 is 126. Okay, 5 times 81. So we already know that 5 times 8, remember the clock, is 40. 5 times 8, that means 5 80s. 5 times 8 equals 40. And 5 times 1 is 5. And then you add it together. 40 plus 1 equals 45. Is that right? That's not right. That cannot be right. Oh, I see. That would be 5 times 8 is 400. I missed a digit. So that cannot be right. So it's 405. Circle the letters with perpendicular line segments. So perpendicular, it looks like the letter L. So of course, there's the letter L right there. So we're going to circle that one. And the letter T has one right there. There's 2 of them. The letter H has angles that you can put a paper in, but you can't put it in the letter M or the letter A. Okay, and I'm going to just do this large problem for you. Okay, so let's add up our pennies here. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, 1 and 3 is 4, 5, 6. Okay, look, there's a 10. 8 plus 2 is 10, and 7 more is 17. Don't forget your decimal. Put a 1 on top of that. So this is the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, I see a 10 right away. So there's a 9 and 1, that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And a 1 on top of that, 5. So there's another 10. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 9 is 19, plus 1 more is 20. So we have to add 2 to this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And don't forget to put your dollar sign. So that's $11,047.68. Okay, good enough. Okay, see you tomorrow.